Hello, hello, mic test, testing mic. Can everybody hear me? Hello, hello. Okay, let me check a few things. Let me check few things. Pain, the chain, no pain. Game, side game. On YouTube. No one to know. It's in my mind. Gets me every time. Okay, okay, it seems to be live. Excellent, excellent. Stream, stream, stream. Okay. Hey, John, can you hear me, John? Is it loud and clear? Okay, seems YouTube to be working fine. Okay. What do we have here? What we have is consolidation right now. We have sideways zone. All right, let's go, let's go. Is the music too loud? Yeah, my mind. Okay, so currently we are looking at the chart for gold wise. It seems to be, even though the market opened today, M30, 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 M30. Okay, price market open today. It seems to be sideways. Usually on Asia market, you will see some breakup momentum, but it did not. So Asia market and Euro market coming in together, we do have a consolidation right now. Okay, it seems that the price is about to create something right here. So let's see where the price want to go. Okay, let's change this line chart so I can identify where's the support and resistance, the closest one, and so yet the biggest one. So we do have a resistance here, and we do have a support down here. So right now we do have a price consolidation around here. Okay, right now price consolidation within this zone. So if you ask me right now, price is look like gonna be a bearish side coming down towards here, and then still gonna be like consolidating. So if the price come down here, maybe we can buy. Great. So this is a trend line forward towards the lower time frame. Let's see the high time frame. If let's say if they were to break out, where the price would like to go. Okay, we do have two. So we do have M30 here. Okay, we're gonna use this M30 support, even though it's kind of similar to where the H1 is, also H4. Yeah, kind of ish. So wait, so let me see the bigger time frame. So I'm gonna look at H4 support here too far. Will the price come there? Okay, currently we do have the highest resistance here. If this price break here, that means we have a reversal pattern. Price is still be on a bullish trend for gold. And for support here, if let's say the price is ending for gold price action, Okay, we're gonna change back the candlestick and see what's up. Okay, it seems to be like a seller, okay, because it seems like even though there is not an engulfing candlestick, price did not engulf bullish did not engulf this bearish candlestick, and then right now we're playing around this area. It seems to be like a sell. Okay. Seems like price is gonna break this low, higher low, and then gonna create most likely come not gonna come around here. Very high likely gonna come around here. So if you were to look at silver also, silver is in the same trend. Ooh. So price D came around here for a sell, even though there's a breakout, there is a pullback. If we did not manage to get that, so it's totally fine. We're gonna erase it, we're gonna look out for a new setup. So for metal wise, we are still in the consolidation price. Price seems to be going to be on the dip side, then be on the bullish side. Say bye bye, say bye bye. Bearish now for short. Uh, well, the price already moved, since this breakout, this engulfing candlestick move already, and then this price pull back for reverse for us to take a sell, but we didn't took a sell because we are looking at the market structure. So don't worry about it. We were still able to catch out a new setup. We're gonna wait how this setup ends. If this setup gonna ends around here, it's pretty good for us. Then maybe we can buy. Or if let's say the price ends around here, okay, we're gonna look at lower time frame at 15, M5. Let's see M5. Okay, there's something going on here. Price did came down here. There's a breakout structure here. Breakout. Uh, it's usually breakout towards the down, but then came back here. Breakout here. If we look at line chart, right, M5, you see the resistance here. Breakout came here, create a base. So this is a resistance, breakout resistance here. Came back to up to this new resistance here. Came back down for a pullback structure, and now we are still in this zone. Maybe the price is respecting towards this breakout. This is a lower time frame speculation now. I'm just speculating this lower time frame. Want to take sell, can short sell, but then I want to take that right now also. Wait. Next thing we follow, deuces. We ain't got no future in tomorrow. I'm a dick, so it shouldn't be that hard to swallow. The other chick I'm with never complained. She make me want to leave the one I'm with a terrain. Probably didn't register. Don't trip. Later on, it will. Shorty full of drama like that. So the price is at 15149. So if I would have took a buy and then hope for the price to come back here, right? It's a really big ass zone, way. Okay. Okay, if we look at H1, price seems to be on a bearish trend rather than a bullish. So if H1 break this, even though supposedly this candlestick supposed to break it, but did not reject, so price most probably gonna reject around here due to the fact there's a breakout structure here, as you can see. Create a resistance, price breakout, consolidate. Uh, from here, make a breakout again. Supposed to fall down, but it didn't. This is what happened yesterday, and then price rejected. It came back up. This last night. Supposedly, we even myself, I was looking at the chart last night. I thought that the price would break down towards the on the bearish side because it's giving out a strong momentum, but then it rejected and became a bullish. So ever since last night until today, price consolidate in this area zone. So right now, if let's say if this price closes beyond here within this H1 right now, which I think it will be, because since it's like downtrend right now, if it did not, most likely it's gonna pull back around towards this zone here. So how do we trade is we wait for breakout structure. Hey Sam. So we wait for breakout structure, pull back, uh, pull back towards the zone after the breakout structure is, and then monitor lower time frame like M1, M5, okay, to see whether there is any manipulation reversal pattern that will happen before we execute. Okay, if there's a confirmation within the during the third phase, then on the fourth phase we're gonna execute whether this is gonna be a buy or sell. So right now price is within this support zone here. Whether this whether it break it or not, which is I think it will be. I think it will break. If it breaks, we're gonna focus on getting a buy over down here because price seems to be consolidating. And now price is like coming towards the down bearish side. So once price is ending towards the bearish side, we're gonna buy and we're gonna be on the bullish side. So this in this case, we are seeing a consolidation price pattern lah. So I'm waiting for this price to end, see whether there's a chance for her to get a buy. There's a there's a chance, you know, there's a chance. There's a chance. Okay. Okay, it seems like the price is gonna consolidate. Wait, I'm gonna give you guys a zone. Hold on, hold on. Isn't now we can do some sales trade? Price is actually on the bearish side, yes, but you know we already missed the momentum. Right now we are trying to get the pullback structure. Eh, eh. Okay, if I were to put my SL, okay, I already given the buyout signal. So our stop losses is at 5140. Okay, we do have our first TP 5155 5160. Okay, we're gonna slowly layer this position, and this price probably gonna pull back and hit our TP. Hope you guys are with me. Okay, price it seems to be consolidating in this zone, so we can have a potential buy right here. Okay, we have potential buy right here, and then we do have a potential sell right here. We're gonna scalp, okay, boys. What the hell is this? Okay, this is our zone. Okay, our TP is basically way above here, lah. You know, our maximum TP. If the price give us, sell high, buy low. No, we're buying in the middle right now. I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? One for you. This today is gonna be a 3-hour stream, so probably we're gonna get more than just one signal today. So yesterday we did manage to get total of 4 signal, 1 break even, 2 profit. Uh, and then we do have like one of it that is a recovery setup. After we do have one setup, we hit stop losses, and then we do have a recovery setup. Okay. So we're closing in 10 more pip to hit our first TP. If the price hit our first TP, we're just gonna hold on still. Okay, I'm gonna leave my first TP to hit the second TP. Even though it's almost hit our first TP, guys. Almost hit. Okay, almost hit our first TP. Let me check. Is it hit our first TP already? I need to zoom in closer, man. Holy shit. This is so big. Yeah, we did. Okay, we're able to hit our first TP. So I'm still gonna hold on by my position right now. for the price to hit at least 5160. Okay, we already have our first running. This setup hit TP1. I'm holding my position till TP2 to 3. Actually, there's no reason to. Felt like this before. I apologize. We're moving too far. Talk about how it going. Set up. Right. So we're able to hit our first TP already, guys. So for this setup. So I'm still gonna hold on. Almost, I think it's almost on my BWG broker. It already seems to hit our first TP already. Actually, yeah, it seems to be hit our first TP already. Actually, exactly 5155.132 is basically hit lah. So whether it's gonna go up, continue above, that's the case. So I'm still gonna hold on to my position still. Please, I'm up on that. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this position first for a while. Might if the price retrace back below, I'm still gonna re-entry more position. Okay. Right, we did able to hit TP1 even though the price spiked up a little bit. Okay, in this situation, maybe we can hold on for you guys who are scalping. You guys can just hold on towards it because right now I'm just gonna scaling until I hit out my TP for the very least. So I'm gonna hold on to my buy position right now. We're gonna put break even. Okay, guys, this is the proper setup. The moment, let's say you already hit TP1 and you still have a few more layers, you want to hold on to it. Maybe you want to hit TP2 or TP3. Put TP1 and then trail stop. How do you trail stop? Is basically you pull your stop losses closer to where the price market is, before it hits lah, okay? Okay, as you can see, this is the proper way to put your break even. If not, means put your SL at 5140. I'm still gonna put at 5140. I think the price is gonna go up even more. Okay, I'm still gonna buy still. Hello. Why I cannot put you? Stop. Mine. Okay, we're still in this consolidation price. Let me look back at the price. Okay, we are still right here. Okay, M50, we do have a new M50 candlesticks. Seems that this did not engulf around here. Reject towards probably there is a support here. Okay, there's a support here. This a hmm M15 M30 H1. This is basically H1. Okay, did not break this support. Seems that it's respecting it. It's just touch and go. So maybe we can potentially see a reversal or a new candlestick open up. We're going to probably break towards the down, and we're still going to purchase buy here last still. I'm going to hold on to the buy position for a bit. Right. This guy closed already. I closed my trade earlier now waiting for the next signal. I set already, then no SL, yeah. No lah, if you set break even already, then there's no SL already lah. If you set your break even wise, because price is already running for our initial buy, which is below here 5150. Then hit our first TP. Now price seems to be rejecting wise. See whether the price can hit our TP2 5160. Okay, this is our TP2. For this up two layer, I'm gonna put at TP2. Okay, the rest will be on TP3. Okay. Based on M1 itself, it seems like the price is already like coming back towards it, rejecting towards there's a support here, become resistant right now, and seems like price is rejecting to want to come down towards this support here. And if breaks this H1 support, seems like the price will definitely look for this below here, this support line. This is where we initially wanted to buy. So but it's okay. We are just buying based on pulling back the order, the pullback structure. You pay it. Come here, my baby. Come here. Come here right now. Yeah. Oh, Mr. Zai, you make at 1.1. That's really nice. Really nice. You can exit the market basically. It's already our first TP. So that's the reason why. Only me, Indian jeans, who's gonna let me on me, and only name, Indian jeans. So it seems that M1 seems to be spiking below 1. As you can see, it seems to be like rejecting and somehow respecting towards want to be on the bullish trend rather than be on the bearish trend. Let's look at silver. Okay, silver seems to be on the bullish trend. Also want to be on the bullish trend. It's like rejecting. So we can see like Gold and silver are moving in the same direction, okay, guys? Gold and silver are moving in the same direction. Mm. Indim jeans, like Indim jeans. Hey, the price come back here, is it? Nah, I want to wait for the price come back down. I don't want to overlayer my situation here. Okay, if the price suddenly were to, hey, what happened? Yeah, this is a chart. Like, what the hell happened? Okay, so if the price changes to be a bullish pattern, we are still holding our position to hit at least our second TP at 5160 or at least 5165. Basically, 5165, we already can actually hold on to the position for very long for the price to come all the way up here. Because this is such a big zone, boys. Big zone, big zone, big zone. Let me see. Okay. Come on, go. Give me a bullish trend, Brand. Give me a bullish trend. Yeah, now we can see. That was not showing at all. Okay, now we set up better. Okay, it seems that M5 is not going to be on a bearish anytime. Sorry, bullish anytime soon. It seems to be like be on a bearish side. So even M1 gave us a engulf rejection right here on the lower time frame, but it seems that the next price open up and the next two currently right now even still like rejecting towards that engulf bullish candlestick on this M1, but it's a small one, nothing major. I mean, whether it react towards that may be possible, but if we react towards that, we will probably gonna look like a reversal pattern, and the price would definitely want to come up even higher. Right. Okay, price seemed to spike, almost hitting our TP2. We are still holding on our position, okay? We are still holding on to our position. As you can see, our profit currently running almost close to 1,000 right now. It's already more than 1,000 right now. So that is a very good sign for us. We're still gonna hold on to this position still until it hit buy. Our hit TP2. Right, come on, man. Push! We needed to push! Come on, man. 20 more peeps. 20 more peeps. We hit our TP2. So I'm glad to see most of everyone here is already running profit. Okay, I'm gonna put all my break even close to the highest price and hope for the best. Okay, I'm gonna hold on my position all break even above. I put my break even at 5155. Okay, guys, break even at 5155. And hold the position until hit TP2 for the very least. Come on, man. Okay, I'm pulling up trailing stop, getting closer and closer so we can gain more profit than we lost. I don't want to lose anything or all this money they are running right now. We are closely running 1,002. Okay, I'm pulling my break even closely to my trail stop. Okay. Similar price hit my the other two break even already. I'm still gonna hold on to this buy position still. I'm gonna put trade stop on my highest entry. If possible, the lowest entry I want to hold on to this position. At least hit our TP2. Give it almost hit our TP2. Almost way. So little. So close. So close. He just spike up and okay, maybe he doesn't want to close down. Maybe I hope they're gonna spike up again and then close above. Shit. Lagging. Okay, look at H1. So we do have an engulfing candlestick right here. This engulf candlestick. Did it hit? No, did not. Wait, another 20 more p. Our TP is actually right here. 5160 right here. Okay, this is our TP. Basically, our TP is right here. 5160. So I'm still holding on my position. Okay, I'm still gonna hold on my position. Okay. Ay 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 ay. Thought we had it, man. I thought we had it. I thought we almost got our TP too. Come on, bro. T-Pain. Give me, I ain't no. Okay. All right, guys. I'm gonna go take a water break. Just less than 5 minutes. Let's hope that this price doesn't. When I come back, the price doesn't hit our break even and price continue here. At least go to our TP2, which is 5160. And then continually to hit our TP3 at 5165. So for now, I'm just gonna put break even closest to my entry point right now. And then if I come back, if it doesn't hit, I'm just gonna hold on to this position, okay, guys? I'm gonna hold on to this buy. I will be back. Give me less than 5 minutes. Just less than 5 minutes, okay? Real quick. Right, I'm back. So price did hit our first break even, but I'm still gonna be on the buyer's buy still. Probably. Let me see. Seems that the price is did not want to break above this bullish candle. Seems like it's still rejecting and towards want to come down towards this area here. So this support, this H1 support. So I'm still gonna hold on to my buy line until break even until we can get a proper next out. Let's see other pairs, okay? UJ. Okay, UJ seemed that the price did came here, became a buy zone. We wanted the price to come back here to see what's up. So it did came in and create what's up. What's up here is, reversal pattern, breakout towards this support here and then this resistance here. Now we are in consolidation in this price for this UJ, but UJ is still like it seems to be on an uptrend, right? Even though there is like a resistance here, support here also breaked out already, so it's up and down. So it seems like if you ask me, even there is an engulfing candlestick here on the bearish side. So this is like a rejection. So we have a clear support resistance here. So price currently right now is pulling back. I think it's just still gonna be a sell. I see it's still gonna be sell on UJ. Okay. Okay, UJ seems to be on the sell side. So for me, I see gold as buy. Because right now we're still consolidating sell here. So price very likely gonna want to come down around here or spike at for the very least. Okay, if the price here our break even is totally fine because we want to get the next setup because we did not able to hit our TP3. Not even it's quite close to hit our TP2, but then did not manage. So we managed to hit our break even. So not right now we're gonna look for a new setup. Right now it seems like to be a downtrend still. We're able to catch the pullback for buy. Right now it's the downtrend. OUS, yeah. Because H1, right? With the way I see H1 is still like downtrend here. Now we are coming towards where the support is. Whether the price is gonna break down or not is very likely. Immediately reject. So if immediate reject, I'm still gonna put my place buy here. Maintain our buy zone. Hold on. Like cloud don't got many downsides. Except for the lack of time, I get brown eyes. Family, nigga, shit ain't never downsides. I got business to my mom saying, wait, the tell mine. Ain't lies, I'm on Angus Cloud 9. I got him on a bandwagon now, God time. I ain't even got no downtime. Every time I speak, she say, yeah, that sounds fun. Shit. No enough time. I know enough time to tell you guys to buy now. Oh shit. The zone is still valid. Okay. One more time. We're gonna buy one more time. Gonna buy one more time. Oh shit. No chance, guys. No chance. Oh man, the price rejected immediately. I'm so sorry. We already hit our TP1. Price reacting so fast. I have no chance. So we do have an engulf candlestick M1 right now. As you can see, you just touch and go from this support line. We bought there and then yeah, rejected immediately. I I hope you guys able to get the buy, guys. Were you guys able to get the buy with me at the same time too? Man. Okay, this price I won't put here at 60 anymore. I'll put it at 65. Man, price moves too fast, huh? Price move too fast. Wait first, wait first, wait for the price to come back to the zone. Price move too fast already, guys. This is the main reason why live trading is important. So whenever you guys see I entry, right, you guys can entry at the same time, you know. But right now we're still in this consolidation. We have to remove this break even, you know, because we already kind of hit our TP one. So I'm gonna close one of my layer. I'm gonna collect this. If the price come further down, I'm gonna keep layering for now. Okay, maybe the price might have a chance to pull back lower. Might. Okay, maybe there's a chance. Maybe there's a chance for you guys to entry. Okay, I'm waiting for the price to come back to the zone so we can entry at the same time. I'm waiting for the price to come back here, okay? So I bought the price exactly right here. So we wait for the zone to come back here. So we do have a rejection. M5 here, supposedly come down to be a bearish but rejected. So we're gonna be a bullish. So I'm gonna immediately place more entry right now. I'll put more entry here. I shouldn't have take a break even as I just should just leave it. Okay, if the price pull back here, maybe we do have a chance to get another buy here. Yeah, let's see this M5, this current candlestick want to break out towards and close above it. Want to come around here, 5160 for the very least. 61 or 61. At least my comeback here, like you already like rejecting towards this. You tell me you still want to consolidate there. If the price gonna consolidate there, we still have a chance to continue buy Seems like we stop here. We have rejection wise. We can maybe potentially can look for a buy. Okay, we're gonna stick to SL, guys. Okay, I believe this is gonna be a buy zone rather than a sell zone already. Even though lower time range seems to be showing that it's still playing around, ranging around this area here, but if it respected towards this area, then price will still would like to uh be on a bullish than the bearish side if the price respected here lah. If you guys margin is big, you guys can follow me, but make sure your lot size you calculate properly because right now we already outside of the zone. We basically at the TP1 zone area here. So in this TP1, is it a good time for you to buy? No, exactly. You should actually just bought at the same time where I bought at the most below, but I didn't have the time to actually post the signal because price moves so fast. Immediately, gave us it's like 80 pip, close to 100 pip. So that's the reason why we are still buying because this rejection show is like, price don't want to be like on the bullish side anymore. You're gonna be on the bearish. Sorry, don't want to be on the bearish side. He wants to be on the bullish side for now. So if the price want to be on the bullish side, we do not want to fight with the trend. We don't go against the trend. We play with the trend. We ride with it. Okay. So if you guys for those who have not registered using our broker, because if you register using our broker, you do get a deposit bonus. Okay, you get up to 50% deposit bonus. On top of that, you do get to join our VIP channel. Our VIP channel, we do give out daily VIP signal towards not just gold, and we do have other currencies as well. Okay, and then besides that, you do get market analysis in the VIP channel. So on top of that, you do have a community with us. So basically, when you're trading, you don't feel like you're trading alone. You're not, uh, not knowing where the market is going. You're trading with most of the people in the community as well, together with you in the VIP channel. So I wouldn't want you guys to miss out the VIP channel. So it's always better to join, get the maximum profit out of it. Benefit, lah, I would say. I wouldn't say profit, benefit. Because the way how we want to train you guys to trade is basically to survive the long run. That's the reason why we are still, being on the buyer's buy still for gold. Okay, we're gonna be on the buy side for gold. The left in the dark. So this current candidate doesn't want to break beyond this support line. It seems to rejected, respecting. So we are looking for M15 right now. New candidate. Is M15 gonna call bullish or bearish? Yeah, bullish. So we do have a next candidate open up. Most likely this next candlestick gonna pull back a bit down and then gonna rise above more. So maybe we can see like a spike bearish right now, or maybe going to straight up be bullish. So it really depends. Okay, it seems to be out of the box. I'm still gonna buy here. Come on, man, break. At least I'll find 160, man. Give me on the TP2. 20 more peeps, 20, 30 more peeps. For the price to hit stop losses is so easy, but to want to hit our top take profit is gonna take a while, man. It's gonna take a while, man. Yeah. You are my fire, the one. Break this. We're gonna continue hold position, okay? Just break this lah, bro. This is the roadblock, man. I want it that way. Come on, man. I want it that way, bro. Up. Oh, bruh. To your heart, you say I want it that way. Nothing but right. We're able to hit our TP2. We're able to hit our TP2. Currently running at roughly 1,000 USD. Man, you guys able to entry to? I was able to entry manually 3. I was able to entry 3 layers. And one of the lowest layer is more than a 50 pip right now. So you guys want to close that? You guys can. I'm gonna close my higher layer first. Okay, for this next all this setup, I'm gonna hold on to this position until hit TP3. We're able to hit TP2. TP2 is hit. Nothing but a mistakes. Tell me why I never wanna hear you say. Okay, I'm gonna take a few profit. I'm gonna leave the rest to hit at least our TP. Okay, I'm gonna put break even here, and I don't think the price will ever gonna come back here. I'm gonna put this above here so I don't lose this. No matter the distance. I told you we're gonna own the market today, right? I told you it's approaching the OTP3. 40 more pips. It gave us that 20p that we needed to hit our TP2. Whether it's gonna give us that 40 pip to hit our TP3, if that hits, we're gonna see the price gonna be on the bullish side on this lower time frame. Okay, on this lower time frame only, guys. Okay, on this lower time frame. So we're gonna hold the position. I've already put my break even. I never want. I'm gonna put my break even at 57. Okay, guys, break even at 57. Basically, just right below this line here. Okay, right below this breakout resistance. So we're gonna hold on position until hit our TP3 right here. He said, I want it that way. Ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why. Right. So I told you we're gonna own the market today. So we saw the buy side still, even though price came back here, touch. So we are still gonna be on the bullish side. Right now, maybe if the price gonna come around here, that's why we put our TP above at around 65. If we break out towards this 65, which is our TP3 right here, okay, it's basically nice. Okay, right here. Okay, we did hit our TP3, but did hit our, oh my god! Oh my god, we hit our TP3, okay, as you can see. The entire day for today, we have total one for ever since yesterday. Okay, yesterday we did had a lot of break even, and okay, to be honest, a lot of break even. Okay, today we do have also a few break even as you can see, and we do have a TP here hit. So total profit for today, we are running around 1,009, close to 2,000 USD. We already hit our TP3. TP3 hit. Okay, so right now we're gonna look for the next setup. Most probably, I'm gonna look for a sell up here. Okay, guys, I'm gonna look for a sell. Okay, I'm gonna close this one. I'm gonna leave it be right now. I'm gonna look for a sell. Okay. Tell me why. Tell you why what? I want it that way, bro. And he gave us that way. Okay, it seems like the price is okay, it really came true to hit our TP3, right? And then now price is rejecting here. So maybe we can see like a potential pullback, retracement. I wouldn't say pullback, I would say retracement. Okay, for retracement. So there is a potential retracement might be coming down towards the breakout structure here, which is I targeted it that once it break, we'll definitely hit our TP. So maybe if the price retrace come back here, maybe we can still see a buy, because usually once it break out towards one gap, second gap, and give us like two double engulf candlestick, most likely the price will still be on a bullish trend. Check UJ leh. Oh, UJ is around here. Seems like UJ is gonna be on buy side still. Walao. Yes, you're winning. I'm so glad to be yours. Let me see UJ. Whether can I take a sell at UJ right now? It is AUD, bro. UJ. Okay, UJ seems to be like all the way bullish and not going to give us like a potential retracement at all. So okay, let's say I'm just want to calculate if I were to sell here, my stop loss gonna be well there. Hey, as you can see, I'm selling a USD JPY. Hold on, give me a second. Let me give you guys the six. I'm selling at 517 point. Eh, sorry. Eh, The stop losses I'm putting at price 40 p. So is TP is no, that's TP. Let me go down. I won't Yeah. Hey, that's for you, Jay. Okay. Just to be clear, we are risking our profit, okay, for this UJ. This UJ gonna take a long time. So meanwhile, I'm still looking at gold, yeah. Oh my god, price is still going up still, okay? Price is still on the uptrend for gold. Gold is still on the uptrend. So we are selling UJ right now. For pullback structure, we are still thinking that price is still all the way here, bro. Up high. So we are taking the reason why we're taking the sell is because of the engulfing rejection here. Supposing this are engulf bullish but rejected. So that's the reason why we are taking a sell. And I see exactly what it is. Dun, dun, all right. It's kind of funny how life can change. Can flip 180s no matter the days. Okay, gold seems to break out towards this high. If this okay, even though it shows that it's closing, M5 M5 show closing at H1. We need H1. Okay, what H1 is gonna go? H1 is gonna go bullish or bearish? How much H1? I need this candlestick to close. If bullish, then price is rejected. Then it's still gonna be on a bullish trend. If not, we are consolidating this price still. Price the next. That means the next candlestick gonna open, gonna be reject, come back towards down here, the breakout structure. Like this candlestick, this one right, this small mini candlestick here. Wait. Okay, this candlestick is the cause of this breakout. Okay, so price will very likely to come back around here, and then we'll wait. If the price come back here, we can buy. Okay, we can buy. If no means, we just let's see what the price gonna give. Whether you're gonna manipulate, you're gonna give a sell buy. I so run away, you're thinking from the. Okay, do you guys see that? Do you guys see that 50% exclusive deposit bonus for new user? If you guys are new user, you can get registered using our broker, can talk to Grace and get that deposit. We need that deposit money, man. I don't wanna give it. What the? Oh, it's easy. I can just see from here, right? I will survive one love in a big street from one love. I'm saying life. One love is all we need. Tell me how you love me. Away from me. I wouldn't say every time you want to look away. I wanna believe in everything that you say. So if this price, now we do have a this this hammer, this almost look like a hammer candlestick, man. About me, just have to know. Sometimes I run, sometimes I hide, sometimes I'm scared of you. And all I really want is to hold you tight. Come on, man. Do something. Okay, we should just hold our goal position. But you know what? It hit our TP. You know, it hit our TP. Okay, that's very, for this week, you know, fourth day of the week, already able to hit our big TP. So we are currently running profit at close to 2,000 right now. So our goal is continue to grow. And he's trying to flip the account. You know what I mean? You only want from me. I wanna believe everything that you say. Sometimes I'm gonna There's a whole you time. Hey, man. Dude, what is this whole song, bro? Give me some new shit. This is a new song. Residuals by Chris Babel. You're welcome, Luca. You're welcome. I mean, Sam, sorry, Sam. Thought that was Luca. Okay, it seems like gold is still gonna be on the bullish trend still. Mm, okay. Okay, the difference between me and most other gurus that you see online on YouTube, Telegram, TikTok, maybe who knows where you guys watch them from. Most of them, they will use indicators like to check the support of Fibonacci, to check the volume or whatever kind of indicator, But all those indicators are useless, man. Because the reason why, because they are not adapt to the latest update for the like example information from the new if they say there's something happened, so indicator will respond late. Usually they will use indicator as after effect, but then indicators, you're gonna take a long time, long setup to find to tune yourself. You have to always monitor. If there's, let's say, the world economic has changed, you have to reset your indicator, and then you need to, you know, repeat all over again. But then it's a long process. But what if, okay, what if, right? If you guys just learn market structure, market behavior, just this too, you're able to make money. Doesn't matter how much money you deposit. Doesn't really matter uh what you're trading on. Can be in crypto, can be in currency, can be in a metal like what we are trading right now, commodities, metal. You know, it can be in stocks as well. That is totally, you know, what you can use within just these two, market structure and market behavior. Just these two, okay? By learning out these two, you're able to muscle using to trade almost anywhere. But of course, learning these two require discipline and patience. Discipline and patience will give you this result, okay? We're able to get this result with patience and discipline, okay? I hope you guys get this and, write it in a notebook somewhere. You know, just these two you need to practice. You don't need to watch or go in seminar, because what if you were to watch other guru and to go in seminar, paying so much money, you end up learning the same thing what we are doing right now. You know, they probably gonna spouse you got all kind of bullshit, like all kind of fantasy that make you guys feel, oh, I can definitely make money. I'm just gonna deposit and follow this guy and you're gonna make money. There's no point if you guys don't know the market structure and market behavior. What if that dude you guys follow, that guru, no longer there, no longer with you? He already, move to a different sector. Maybe he retired from this trading and then he opened up a business. Wouldn't that put you in a really rough situation, rough spot, that you start to feel panic? There's no signal, there's no more community, it's already ended. Now I'm on my own and I don't know what the fuck am I doing. And then you have to restart learning all over again. So you'll be end up wasting time. So if you don't want to waste time, right? Learn. Trade on the demo account. Once you learn, when you have the confidence in your demo account, repeat it. Try to deposit 100 USD, maybe 1,000 USD, and slowly grow the account. Not to flip the account, but to grow. Because our goal, end of the day, is to grow the account to compound and get survive the long run. Okay. Okay, that's the reason why. Okay, seems like gold market structure it seems to cool off a bit, seems to cool down right now. Okay, we're gonna wait approach to the next M15. Right now, it seems that the price is not pushing up. It's most likely gonna pull back towards the candlestick that I said that make that breakout, which is this one, this small, tiny, puny candlestick here, that the bullish candlestick that breakout. So most likely the price pull back towards here. So if the price pull back towards here, we want to see what's up. Maybe there is a manipulation happen here. Hey, my mouse is kind of sticky, man. I'm clicking here, clicking there. I click here, I click there, I click here. I want to click that. I want to click this. I want to make it sure the prices go up and then we can get a buy. Okay. Yeah. If you ask me, right? Honestly, honestly, gold seems like a buy way. Look at what the heck is this? This is a rejection, engulfing bearish, and then now rejection here, consolidate. It's supposed to be you guys supposed to support this engulf bearish man, which it probably is. Hey, this guy, I just want to make sure this is not trend line. This is not trend line. This is not trend line. This is consolidation. Price is moving up and down, sideways. Okay, this is what we call sideways consolidation. It's kind of pain in the ass, but we're still able to manage it, lah. We're able to get a buy. So right now, right, it looks like seller. But then I don't know whether how far this side gonna go. Most likely gonna come here. But then if you come here, but I don't think it will break here because it seems like this engulf candlestick respecting, and then break out towards here. Most likely, price is maybe gonna come back here on this mini M5. That make out that breakout structure. So that's why. I'm waiting for this M15 to close. When you lay on my pillow. Come on, man. Come on, man. What is this? Boring, but fast, come down, fast, come down. Fast, come down, we can buy. Or even this also like this, huh? Breakout, pull back, breakout towards resistance. Usually price will definitely want to go up. Seems like the price is going up here. Actually, gold also can still buy way. But I want to buy now. Oh, we want to buy now. What happened to UJ? on my pillow. Okay, what happened to UJ here, huh? Ui, set. Okay, so we have a breakout, rejection engulf, consolidate, come back towards the zone. Price is now pushing back down. So probably there's a strong resistance here, huh? Okay, guys. That's why this also there's a resistance breakout to resistance and it still break up towards down bottom. Ooh. This is manipulation, guys. See this breakout towards the low, breakout towards structure to support here, right? As you can see, this candlestick make a resistance here, right? Consolidate, breakout towards this support, came down here, pull back, and then this is the right place where people sell, came back here, from here, 517, 125, 270. Okay, here like closely at least lah 20 pip like that, closely 20 tip, 20 30 pip like that. So and then price rejected up, breakout towards this reject this pretty much it's like this pullback retracement. This retracement pullback, manipulate this sign. People thought like price is gonna be buy and that continue down sweep whatever left over here. So right now we do have a strong resistance here, which is why the price is still on the selling side, then be on the bullish side. Okay, for gold wise, I still think that gold is still gonna be on the bullish buying side still. The buy still seems to be coming in, which is why if a sell comes in, right, already this price already this rejection wise, this engulf candlestick, right? If seller are coming, price should already just go down, but it didn't. That means the buyer are still coming in strong. Okay, the buyers are still coming in strong. Ayo, this kind of pattern, right? This kind of M1 pattern, right? Makes me want to buy gold, but then also it's very risky. We wait. Okay, so it cannot wait already. It's already M15 already out. So the previous candlestick closed bearish, but did not shows any potential breakout or like solid close bullish, but then it's still closed as a bullish. We are still meaning to say buyers are coming in. The buyers are coming in. And it seems to be to me like can buy. It seems to me lah. But even though if buy on this higher time frame, whether the price gonna reject here or not. Price came back here. So price came back here. What the price want to do? Does the price want to reject towards this resistance? Respect the resistance and then come back down, or break out and find a new resistance. If we break this, find a new resistance, we potentially maybe can see the market price will love to come all the way up here. Okay, 5179 for the very least. If I want to take a buy now, wait. Because we have UJ running right now. UJ is slowly if break this, we can still hold our position. Okay, we need UJ to break this right here. Okay, not just break, I want it to close beyond this line. Then we do have a potential like silver to come around here. Sorry, UJ to come around here. And then right now we do have a solid close on M1. What's M5 showing? M5 showing like solid rejection line. Maybe you still want to come down towards here. If it comes down towards them, maybe it's good for us. Okay, if it comes up towards there. How do I breathe when you're by my side? Maybe we'll be to the night. Okay. Okay, yeah, gold seems to be on the bullish side trend, even though it seems like here got chance. Huh. Okay, it seems like rejecting there, yeah? Supposed to be a buy, but they're rejecting there. So maybe we can get a potential sell here. You too. Touch my body. What worries me right now is that this lower time frame price is consolidating this lower time frame, right? And then since come here, come like most probably gonna break out and then come towards this breakout section here and then come back here. So this is what we are looking at. So maybe potentially 505155 can be our potential buy, not the lower down here, but here. Do we need to see on this lower time frame how this lower time frame price reacting, man? It's taking a while. Whoa, look at that. So price is still consolidating here. This lower time frame consolidation. Pad a pop, pad a pop, super duper yummy. Wait, hold on, yeah, guys, hold on. All right, so sorry. I thought there was a ghost in the house. Someone was in the living room, open the lights. So right now we do see that gold is still consolidating on this lower time frame. This is why Euro session is so boring. And also another reason why I extended my time to 9 so we can catch on. Maybe there's a breakout session during the Euro, and then we can get on the buy side for maybe some breakout session during the US. Okay. Wait, hold on. I'm choosing a music for myself before I continue. I need the vibe, man. I need the adrenaline rush. Music gave me that. Okay, is the music too loud? I don't think so, right? Okay. Okay, gold seems to rejecting towards the bearish side right now. We can able to see me, you know, uh, some breakout here. So do breakout towards the minor support here. So we're going to remove that. Wait, maybe now we're going to leave that on because we need a solid close. We need a high time frame solid close. Even if the lower time frame close solid, right? It's not a confirmation that we need, but we need a higher time frame confirmation. So we need a support from M5 and also M15. So right now we just look at lower time frame. What is lower time frame gold want to react? Does it really want to come back towards this zone where we actually buy? Here our first TP. This is our TP, first TP zone, okay? So maybe we can reuse this zone to actually buy, continue buying still on the bearish bullish side. So we don't have to be on the bearish side. Because right now we have total running profit already like close to 2,000, and we still have an open position in use on USD JPY. Okay, we still have a consolidation on our UJ. So gold seems to doing what we actually wanted it to do, like. Should I have taken this short sell? Let me calculate that. Because when I noticed there's a rejection there, I wanted to take a sell there, to be honest with you. But then I was biased because I was buying on the buy still. That's the reason why I never took, because price is like seems to be on a bullish engulfing, but now its price is like slowing down. The buy side is already to they tried it's like being exhausted. So right now sellers are coming in. So we're waiting for the sell price to come in. Okay, that's the reason why. This is one of the reason why even I put back the support line here, because even though it shows like you want to break out, but then it just leave a shadow. And the previous candlestick also rejected, give us a bullish candlestick close. Right now we have our current still trying to push out and break towards this support. If break out towards this support, we're gonna look for a buy here. This is the safest place to buy. Because right now, if you want to take the sell, there's no point. Because right now, the selling, this potential market right now we are watching is the momentum for like selling is coming in. So if really seller coming in, they need to break out towards here. Then this potential buy zone we can be a sell zone. So right now we're still having M1 rejecting towards the support line, which is why we need higher time frame. Right now we do have M15, M30 new higher time frame. M15 still showing on the bearish side rather than be on the bullish. Previous candlestick closed as a bearish, so maybe we are still expecting a pullback structure. M30 did not engulf the previous candlestick, so right now we are still pulling back slowly down to the bearish side, and then maybe we can get a buy potential over here. Man, gold is playing with us, man. Playing with us on this lower time frame, bro. Oh my god. Oh my. Maybe some Kendrick Lamar music can push this up. Come on, man. So for UJ, we are still floating, which is more reason for you guys to get that deposit bonus. Make sure you guys DM Grace regarding that. Because if you guys don't have enough margin to support you guys to float, that's where the bonus comes in. Because the bonus helps to float, the margin, so you can entry more. Or not say you should entry more, you shouldn't be greedy. What you should be with using the deposit bonus is for, I would say, you can, rather than be a risk taker, you can be a calculative risk taker. Like myself. I am a calculative risk taker. I'm not a 100% risk taker myself because why? End of the day, we want to compound our profit. You want to make it big, okay? So that we can survive the long run. Who knows? Winter is gonna come. End of this year, if winter comes, everyone is gonna be on the vacation mood. And if you're in the vacation mood, of course you want to, travel around the world, right? Yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. To be honest, gold looks so nice to sell it. You see this M1 previous candles did not close. You just touch remain there, close exactly where the support is. And this current candlestick looks like you want a solid close beyond that, but then it seems like it's rejecting, coming back to where the support is. Woo! See, M1 is closed like this. More reason why we need a higher time frame to close. Don't you guys feel like if you were to look at M1, right? 1 minute, the 1 minute time frame, and then you notice the real time right now is like 7:34 p.m. on my time, Malaysia GMT 8. So Malaysia time zone right now is 7:34. So every 1 minute passed by, right? I feel like it feels like forever, bro. Okay, if this one close beyond that, maybe we can get a sell. But if you close beyond this, right? Maybe the price will come back here, retracement here for us to sell. Maybe. If no, maybe it will come back to this spot. Maybe we have to look out for this potential. We maybe can get a buy. Silver wise, silver also doing the same nonsense like what gold is doing. So, bruh. Why are we stuck in this consolidation, man? We shouldn't be. As you can see, this two M1 did not close beyond this support line. That's the reason why we never took ourselves. But what would other guru would think like, oh, it's coming to the support line, or it looks like lower time rate is breaking out towards the support line. This is the moment where we should sell. No, like I said, phase one, look for breakout structure. After breakout structure, wait for retracement, pullback structure. Once the retracement pullback structure came into the zone where we intended to buy or sell, do not execute immediately. Wait, come to the phase three. Look at lower time frame. Look at M1, M5, and M15. Look at these three lower time frame to see whether there's a reversal pattern or a manipulation pattern that might happen. So if there's no manipulation wise, price came back just the retracement wise and they give us a clean sell or a buy, that's where we execute. Okay, make sure you guys also one other thing is if let's say you look at the market, right? If you look at the market, if you notice like the price is gonna be like a bearish. Like if you look at it right now, like this entire zone right here, it looks like a bearish than a bullish. It seems like it's gonna close beyond it already. Okay, definitely. If this M5 close beyond this support, then we have a solid close. Then the price would definitely want to come back towards this mini M5 bullish that help us break out and hit our TP. So we're gonna come back to this zone. Okay, M15 seems to be the same. Okay, M5 close beyond that. M15 close beyond that. Then we have a confirmation the price is gonna go down further. So we are currently coming into the box. So I don't want the box suddenly rejected and price came back in. So I don't want it to just touch and go. I want it to come in halfway through. at least come towards this breakout. At least come and touch this. I just want it to come and like just touch in the box and then go up to be bullish because we are still riding like the downtrend. You know, we are still going down. We are still going down here. Okay, as you can see, the price is still going down. You see, you see, this is why I don't want to see lower time frame. You see, even lower time frame shows that close beyond the support area, already like bypass that. But on the higher time frame M5, right, it's pulling back towards the support zone. If it close as a bullish, right, then we most probably will see a reversal pattern here. My bad, my brain gripping on you. Okay, I want this goal to come to this zone so we can maybe look for a potential buy if we can. If we can. Okay. One more minute, M5 gonna close beyond this box. Most likely, I think it is. So we're coming into this box. Let's see what's up. I want to go to do something here. So maybe we can have a chance to buy. Hope you guys are ready for this. I hope you guys are ready. Okay, momentum sell is coming in strong. So it's coming into where we initially wanted to buy. Let's see what the price want to give us to us. Because if we were to take a buy right now, right, if the momentum strong sell, right, most likely the price gonna come here. So we need to see what the price gonna give. Whether it's gonna go beyond this, or you're gonna stop halfway and gonna manipulate around here. Also possible. Okay, there is a possible chance that it will do that. Okay, because the major support is here. This is the minor support. This is also the closest support that already make a breakout. And preview all the name Indian jeans. Indian jeans. Okay, if I were to buy now, right? Let me calculate the risk and reward. Wow, came out rejected immediately. 30 pip. What the fuck? Okay, it seems to be responsive towards this zone. Okay, if the next candidate come back, pull back down, we're gonna straight away buy. Okay, so we do have an engulfing rejection here. This is a candidate engulf rejection here, so most likely price will definitely come pull back a bit here. Then we're gonna buy. So get ready, boys. Round four. Round four is gonna start soon. Okay, round four gonna start soon. Clover. Okay, wait first, yeah, guys. Wait first. Wait first. Wait first. Wait first. Hmm. Okay, I'm gonna slowly entering by. Okay, I already placed my stop losses and my TP. So you guys, if you guys able to follow, signal is already been given. Make sure you guys layer properly. Okay. 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 On this lower time frame, even this engulfing, rejected engulfing, still we're on the bullish trend still. Okay, but this M5 did not engulf can bullish to reject this candlestick, but then we are still on the lower time frame momentum wise. Okay. Okay, we're not able to entry where we wanted entry at 58, but we still entry at 59. Currently price closing like running like close to 30 pip. But at least, I need the price to come back to at least 50. Close to 50 pip. Oh, don't tell me this one support become resistant. If this support got resistant, price will still definitely come around here. Be very careful, yeah, guys, with this. This gold setup is very, very high risk. So the way I look at it right now on the lower time frame does not want to break out towards the support. Now this support become resistant and this resistance is being respected. Yeah, that's the reason why. On this lower time frame, we're still looking at bullish one, rather not giving at least a single bearish right now on this M15. The last two has been bearish, and this current one seems to be pulling back. So if this current one pulling back, maybe we have a chance. Because right now on this M30, right? Yes, other lower time frame M1, M5, M15, we did able to close beyond the support line. But like I said, the higher time frame it is, the better the confirmation. But M30 it doesn't seem to be closing beyond that. It seems to coming back closer to the support resistance. Now became a resistance. So as you can see, right, this is H1, bro. This is H1 consolidation right now. So if let's say the previous candlestick has been a bullish and the previous candlestick be a bearish, so right now this current candlestick should be a bullish because this previous candlestick rejected towards this support and it became a bullish. Okay, close up bullish. So right now we are still in the bullish momentum, basically on the higher time frame. But the lower time frame is basically is on the bearish, but the higher time frame is basically on the bullish. So that's the reason why we are market structure and market behavior is important. Let me emphasize that one more time. Market structure and market behavior important. You don't need indicators. You don't need like to watch other people to have their signal or not. You don't need all those. Once you master these two, requires discipline and patience. If you're able to master this, you're able to trade almost anywhere. Not just gold, not just commodity. You can trade in crypto. You also can trade in stocks. So yeah, you can trade in all those. Okay, currently our goal is running nearly hit our, actually, if we were to entry where we want to enter at 58, it's already hit our TP. Because we already like running closely to 40 pip. But because I entry at 5 months like close to 60, which is why my profit running looking like 30 pip. Basically, we already hit like TP1. So if you guys want to hold on still, you guys can place your break even. You guys can place break even. Okay, price is already running for gold. We are actually running profit right here, right now. So you guys can place break even on the safe side. Okay, just in case price manipulate, it come back down, hit our break even. If you guys don't want that, if you guys want that, it's okay because we still haven't lose our money. We're still running our profit still. Man, I didn't have a chance to entry more, man. I need entry two. Okay, our UJ currently is still floating. Let's go back to UJ for a bit. I want to watch UJ for a bit. So apparently, UJ did not want to break out towards this, so they are actually break up towards this resistance. So price breakout resistance, usually after breakout this resistance, they will look for a new resistance wise, most likely above here. But we already put our stop loss. We're gonna stick to the plan because we definitely need to wait for a pullback structure for this. Whenever there's a breakout, there'll always be a pullback structure, so we're gonna wait for that. Okay. Nice, right, Damien? So, Damien, how much did you profit today, dude? Were you able to make some profit? Phew. Hey, make sure you guys put your stop losses. Oh, sorry, break even and go. Yeah, I'm still gonna hold on to this position at least. Hit our TP2 or TP3. I will not collect a TP1. Even though yeah, I can collect TP1, but today we already like running profit like close to 2,000. Why not risk a little bit more? We are not risking our initial deposit. We are risking our profit. So if we able to profit from risking our profit, we are safe for this week. Okay, we are safe. This time is up. For one time in my life. Okay, so we are closing in another 9 more minutes. We're gonna close one H1. Another 9 more minutes. Okay. Gold since we're spiking above, as I said. Okay, you guys can already close or hit our TP. We already hit TP2. Sorry, no, not even close to TP2. TP2 is still above here. Close. It's closing in another 30 more pips. Okay, we do have an M1 spike here. So it seems like potential gold is gonna go up. Buyer are coming in still strong. You know, for this spike, how many pips? 6.2 to 6.3. This is at least like 30 pip spike. So it's coming in close to where our TP is, 68. which is above this line. If we break out this line, yeah, we can hold on even more longer. Okay, we can hold on even longer for this. So as you can see, we're already running 50 pips. You guys can put a break even. When a good time, when the time is up. So this is the reason why we need to have this 4-step breakout, retracement, manipulation, or confirmation, then entry. 4 steps are needed. 4 steps are needed. Okay, just 4 steps. Okay, we still have our floating on our UJ. Okay, make sure this buy. If let's say our UJ, okay, worst case scenario. Okay, if let's say UJ hit our stop loss, okay, at least we still have our goal to cover back. Okay, guys. Believe me, been there, done that. But every day above ground is a great day. Remember that. We're in this club, having a good time. Time of my life. Okay, this is what fucked up. Okay, is that reject? What's this? What is this rejection here, bro? Okay, you did break out towards support. You made the rejection. Why? We actually took the profit of the rejection wise. So yeah, lucky I told you guys to take place break even or put trade stop, man. Because price is coming back towards my zone. So if the price come back towards my zone, I'm still gonna entry again. Maybe. Okay, maybe. Safe side. Okay, I already placed a break even. So we're not losing anything. Bro, UJ, bro. What the Okay. UJ is building uptrend. Slowly building uptrend. Okay. One, two, three, four, five. Total got 5 signal today. That's a lot, man. Am I being too much? Am I giving you guys too much signal? Should I stop? Okay, price almost is our break even. No. No. We're still floating on UJ, man. Okay. Got chance. Got small chance here. We have a small chance here. Small window. Small window. Okay, we have a small chance here on goal. Okay, small chance. Price is like, not trying to hit our break even. Where I put a break even at exactly, bro, 60. Okay. Oh no, it's coming into a break even. No, not like this, not like this, not like this. Coming in very close. Hey boy, hey boy. Na, 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 na. Yeah, price haven't hit, I'll break even. Price haven't hit, I'll break even. Boy, bro, don't reject like this, hey. I'm 15. 2 more minutes, we have a H1 hour close. So if H1 hour close, maybe we still in this consolidation price zone. Oh my god. So price is coming back towards this support. As you can see, this support line, right? Even a lower time frame make a breakup, but high time frame doesn't shows. See, M30 just not gonna close. Oh bruh. See, it retracted. So we do have a solid support here, which is why it's on a bullish trend. Okay, it's on a bullish trend. Even entry one more layer, so the straight away the price react and be on the bullish. That's why it's important to know where the market wanna go. The market wanna go to be as a buy. We just be with it. Okay, be with it. Don't fight with it, man. Be with it. Okay, we already placed our TP and our stop losses. Okay, the rest is memory. The rest is history. Now we're just gonna let it be. If I scroll up, it doesn't look nice, right? We all those red running, floating, but down here, bro, look at that gold, bro. Oh yeah, it's building up. Our profit is building up slowly. Dude, I hope you guys never miss this. This is my fifth signal of the day, man. If you guys miss this, I also don't know what to tell you. How to trade like Prem, how to trade like me, guys. I cannot make a build another clone like me, man. You wanna be like me, you gotta trade like me. Hey, we're still gonna hold on to a position right now for a buy. Price is definitely gonna fly and we're gonna break out even above. Definitely gonna come back here. So on a high time frame, H1 close never close beyond this support, bro. That's why we are still on a bullish trend. So we're gonna hold on still. I bet other group channel, they are losing money. I think they are still selling. Yeah, we are still buying. We're not against any other trader. We're just against me versus the market. Okay, me versus you. Oh, whoa, whoa, virtual. Okay, we are still in the consolidation price here still. I'm gonna hold on towards this position while waiting for our UJ. Oh my god, UJ. I think we fucked up here, lah, boys. We fucked up here. No, no, what it's like. See this M30 close bullish and a bearish, man. Rejected this candlestick. Oh my. I need to know why. Oh, whoa, whoa, baby, I need to know why. Price is still moving quite slow. Reject so fast. Break out here so fast. But they want to come back. They want to break out this one so slow. So we monitor this lower time frame. Where they see they want to break out towards this. If we didn't have this floating on this UJ, our profit is already running close to 1,000 already, man. Just that we have this UJ running floating. Okay, I'm still gonna hold on to this gold position still. As you can see, I'm still holding on to this position. I'm not gonna close just yet because if the price reject this, this has become a solid resistance probably. Okay, I'm just gonna pull my stop losses here. Something. Okay, whoa, go, let's go. Okay, right now our goal is already running 100 pip. We're gonna take 2 profit. We're gonna leave 1 profit. Okay. Okay, we already have 3 setup. This is our 5th setup already running like 100 pip. So we already have few setup already running 100 pips. So we're just gonna hold on to this position still. Okay, as I said, I'm gonna emphasize one more time. This is the 5th time I'm emphasizing it. Market structure and market behavior. Just this two. If you guys able to master this with discipline and patience, you get the same result as I do. So immediately I'm gonna pull. I already collected 2 profit. I'm gonna leave 1 more layer as a break even here to hit our TP3. Doesn't really matter. So even if we hit our stop losses at USD JPY, it's totally okay because we already have enough profit to cover back our stop loss. And look, we are close to 3,000 profit for today. Okay, on this small account, we almost halfway flipped on this account, dude. We're almost halfway flipped. Let's fucking go. You guys can look at my screen. I don't use indicators, bro. All this chart is I drawn myself. I look at the market structure, I look at the market behavior, and this is what it gives. Okay, what time did I give this signal just now? 43. All I need. I can pangkang, idiot not. Okay, pangkang means I can relax. You know, it's a Malaysia word, pangkang. Can relax. Okay, we're closing. Bro, gold, I tell you, gold, right? Ugh. Yeah, gold, man, gold. Right. Okay, so this is our fifth profit of the day. Fifth signal, four profit, one is still floating. Okay, total we have five signal, four profit, one floating still. Okay, I'm gonna take a break because our live stream at 9. I've been going on since for 2 hours straight. I just need a water break, a toilet break too. Okay, price is almost hit. Price is gonna hit our TP, man. Let's go. Price is gonna hit our TP. Price is gonna hit our TP. Let's go. Come on. TP trick, TP trick. We need TP3. Okay, TP3, TP3, TP3. Yeah, I'm gonna take a 10-minute break. I'm gonna toilet break. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. Welcome back. Sorry, I went for a break just now. So right now, gold did not hit our break even. We're still holding on to it. This and also for our UJ, bro, UJ is slowly killing us. I feel basically UJ is slowly killing us, man. Okay, okay. Honestly, right, I feel like I want to close my UJ right now. The price is slowing, pulling back up. Supposedly, price is supposed to come back down, but it didn't. But it's okay. I'm gonna hold on still. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna close my UJ right now. I'm gonna use my. It's totally fine because we are still on the profit side. Because this UJ, right? I feel like it's still gonna be a buy up trend. So we're gonna forget about UJ. It's totally fine because we're still on the 3,000 profit still, as you can see. We're still on 3,000 profit. We're gonna maintain this right now and potentially see for a new other pair setup. Because UJ seems to be strong bullish trend. Still on the bullish trend, still break out here, and then most likely gonna look out for a new high, support. I mean resistance here. Even though there's a pullback right now, I don't think the pullback will even want to come down all the way here, or even want to try to hit our TP. So that's the reason why we are so looking at the market structure. So we're able to get a sideways here. We're able to get a buy, one here, second here, first here, second here, and third time also here. So it's totally fine. Okay. So do you guys have any question in the live chat? You guys can talk to me right now because I think we try not to push our trades so much. So let's use this time to talk about something, you know? If you guys have any question, can ask me right now. Can definitely ask me right now. Okay. So I just want to add on something regarding our broker. If you guys find it difficulty to register, you guys can PM or direct message to Grace, Grace will definitely help you guys in terms of the registration. Also, assist you regarding our promotional bonus. If you notice, if you guys were to scroll up in the Telegram group, for those who already joined in the Telegram, our community group, you guys can scroll up. You guys can see there is a deposit bonus. It's around, for new user, it's around 50%. Okay. Luckily, we closed our goal. As you can see, it rejected. Okay. He's giving us like the trend is seller is coming in, especially right now we're coming into what we call this US session. Wow, bro, this fucker, this fucker, this UJ. Oh my god, actually, I just closed where it came back to where our entry is. Where I can exactly close where our entry, but it's okay. Never mind, never mind, never mind, because we were too. We have a lot adrenaline rush right now. We are too eager also just now. So it's totally fine. So come back to the deposit bonus. You get for new users, you get up to 50%. Not say up to, you definitely get 50% deposit bonus. So imagine you get deposit 10,000 USD, right? So you get additional 5,000 USD as well. That 5,000 USD, to able to spot your margin and floating, boys and girls. Yeah. And also on top of that, you get to join our VIP channel. Our VIP channel, you get exclusive signal, day by daily signals, also market analysis, which is very helpful for beginner traders like yourself. Okay? It's very helpful. So don't miss this chance. Talk to Grace about it. Okay? So if there's nothing much, I will definitely end my stream at exactly 8:30 in like 7 more minutes because we don't want to overtrade. We already like total have 5 trades, 4 win, one loss, one cut lah basically. 4 profit, 1 cut, and then total we profit today, 3,214 USD. I'll take that. I'll take that home. Yeah, I'll take it home. So even though gold also actually we took out price rejected, we took out above here. Still on the bullish trend, we took out. So price rejected here. Coming back towards this zone. So as you can see, we have a big screen as manipulation here. Sad that it is, we can't do anything. Okay. Right. So since there's no more question in the chat, because now about time people should have dinner with their family, friend. Why we want to push that trade. So I suggest that you guys go for your dinner, spend time with your friends and family, especially your loved ones, bond with them because today we already have good profit. So it's a good time that we use this good energy that we have to spend time with our loved ones. All right, I will see you guys again tomorrow, same time. I'm not going anywhere. I'm still gonna be here. Uh, just a heads up, tomorrow we have big major news. NFP at exactly 9:30 p.m. If you ask me, is it a good time to trade on NFP? No, you should actually avoid it because NFP can burst your account. If you're growing steadily with me right now, maintain that. So better not trade on doing high impact news. Okay? So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Have a good night. Remember, peace. I'll see you guys again soon.